Today, in this video we are going to talk about Canada Immigration New Update. We are going to talk about how to apply for a Canadian Open Work Permit. If you are interested in this topic, please watch till the end of this video for latest immigration updates and news. Please like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell icon. Let's get into the video. Open work permits allow foreign workers the flexibility to choose where they work in Canada. Oftentimes, foreign nationals who want to work in Canada need a work permit. These permits may be tied to a specific employer or occupation. By contrast, open work permits allow for freedom of movement, whether it is between workplaces, occupations or locations in Canada. Canadian employers do not need to do a Labour Market Impact Assessment, LMIA, in order to hire a foreign worker on an open work permit. There are numerous ways to be eligible for an open work permit. Here are some of the more prominent ways. International student graduates. In 2021, most Labour Market Impact Assessment, LMIA exempt work permits went to international student graduates who were eligible for a post-graduation work permit, PGWP. After graduation, international students can be eligible to work in Canada for up to 3 years if they completed a full-time study program of at least 2 years in duration. Study programs that are longer than 8 months but shorter than 2 years may be eligible for a post-graduation work permit, PGWP, that matches the length of their program. To be eligible, international students have to be going to a designated learning institution, DLI, in Canada. IRCC has allowed for some flexibility within the eligibility criteria as a result of the pandemic. For example, IRCC is now allowing international students to have completed 100% of their study program online between March 2020 and August 2022. Citizens of foreign countries with reciprocal agreements. International Experience Canada, IEC, is designed to allow foreign youth from over 30 different countries to work in Canada. Youth between the ages of 18 and 35 may be eligible for a working holiday visa. Participants do not need a job offer, but will need to meet the criteria to be eligible for the IEC. The IEC generally requires candidates to have the equivalent of $2,500 Canadian to cover expenses, not be accompanied by dependents, be admissible to Canada, among other criteria. Spouses and common law partners of Canadians and temporary residents. Canada offers open work permit options to the spouse of Canadians, temporary foreign workers, and international students. Spouses of Canadian citizens and permanent residents may be eligible for a spousal open work permit if they are applying under inland sponsorship and living in Canada with their partner. Spouses of temporary foreign workers may also be able to get an open work permit. The temporary foreign worker has to meet certain eligibility criteria, such as having a work permit that will be valid for 6 months after the open spousal work permit is received, among others. The foreign worker also has to meet one of 4 conditions: working in a national occupational classification, NOC skill level of 0, A, or B, working in any occupation when accepted to an Atlantic Immigration Program, AIP stream. Working in any occupation holding a provincial or territorial nomination from the Provincial Nominee Program, PNP, or working in any occupation and holding a Quebec Selection Certificate, CSQ. There are also further program-specific criteria that must be met depending on the temporary foreign worker's situation. Finally, spouses of international students may be able to get an open work permit if they can demonstrate to the government that they are in a genuine relationship, and that the international student is enrolled in an eligible program. Permanent residency applicants. Bridging open work permits, BOWPs, allow people who have applied for permanent residence to remain in Canada while waiting for a decision on their application. The following immigration programs are eligible for a Bridging Open Work Permit, BOWP. Federal Skilled Worker Program. Canadian Experience Class. Federal Skilled Trades Program. Provincial Nominee Program. Quebec Skilled Workers. Agri-Food Pilot Program. The Bridging Open Work Permit, BOWP, makes it so foreign nationals do not have to leave their jobs or the country if their temporary status expires before their permanent residence application is processed. It also means employers do not have to get an LMIA-based work permit in order to keep their foreign employee. Hopefully the details and information is presented in this video is helpful. Canada Immigration News channel will be releasing a new video when new information is available on any of these updates or requirements. If you have not subscribed, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click on that notifications bell icon. See you sooner in next new immigration video.